Sorry that I haven't been updating, but you know what? Let's rate fidgets that I have in my mom's room. So these are the fidgets I keep in my mom's room. So let's go. So the first one is a pop tube. This red one I really like. 8 out of 10. It's not like, it's kinda quiet and kinda loud, which I don't really like that, so pop that one to the side. The next one is a water timer, which I don't really like water timers, but yeah. So I feel like it's a 6 out of 10. It's not that cool. Whatever this thing's called, I forgot. And you can like pull it, twist it. Yeah. And then you can move these. This one. I rated, let's go for 5. It's small, it's not that much fun. If you watched Raya and the Last Dragon, this thing has textured here and it's supposed to spin, but I'm on my mom's bed, so that doesn't work. But I rate that one, this one, a 2 out of 10. It's not that much fun. This one is one of them. It's my Wiggly stress ball. This one, I rate it a 9 out of 10. What else do I have? Ooh, my dimple, I think it's called. My small dimple. My simple dimple, whatever it's called. It's pretty hard to push. I rate it like a 3 out of 10, I guess. It's not that good. Okay, and then this water one, and you guys like, you already have one of these. Well, this is a different one. It's really noisy. It's like really noisy. I actually made it today. I rate that one. This one I rate that one an 8 out of 10. This thing is actually like fun. So definitely a 6 out of 10, yeah. What else? Ooh. This scratch pad, there's a mirror, but I don't want to accidentally show myself, but as you can see, there's a mirror. Yeah. What else? This flippy book. If you can hear it, it's just my sister in the background. But this thing, it has like a little note, fidget pieces. Yeah. That's a 3. Mochi, I guess a 4. Not that. Let's see. This bead organizer, you have to squeeze to get the out. And you can like organize them and squish it. It's actually pretty fun. I like to move them around a lot. So yeah. What else? Okay, I'm gonna put you right here. Sorry that it just hasn't been updated. I have had school. I just has been tired. Yeah. But here's this. This thing. This is one of them. And then on the inside there's this. Definitely a 9 out of 10. And one of my favorite ones. My simple dimple. Yeah, I got this a little while ago. If you saw my last video. Showed you guys this. I definitely rate this a 10 out of 10. Woohoo! This is the most fun. And about the updating, it's just been, I've just been tired after school, and yeah. I was tired yesterday, so yeah. That's the end of it. Bye, guys. And also like and subscribe.